artist, I'm Marina Olsen, and today we're drawing Darwin from the Amazing World of Gumball. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a fun character. This is Darwin from the Amazing World of Gumball. My kids have been watching this cartoon non-stop, so they suggest that I should do this video, and here we are. This character has a big head and then it has long legs, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do here in the center, we're gonna go to the left, and then we're gonna do the first eye. It's gonna be a circle. And we're gonna do two circles inside. The first one is gonna be here a little bit big, close to the right side. And then we're gonna leave a little bit of a space and we're gonna do a smaller circle. Okay? And we are gonna fill with black around these two. Next, we're gonna do a half a circle around this one. So I'm gonna start here from the middle. I wanna go around and connect in the middle again. And he has two little lashes here, so we're just gonna do two lines. Now, let's leave a little bit of a space here, like about a finger space, and we're gonna do a second circle for the first part of the eye. So you should have room to do this half shape of a moon shape in here, okay? We're gonna repeat the idea by doing two circles, filling with black, and then we're gonna do half of a circle around this one. And this time the lashes, I'm gonna put it on this side, 1 and 2. Next, we're gonna do the mouth, and he has a big round mouth. It's kind of like in a shape of a V. So we're gonna start underneath the two eyes. I'm gonna do a little bit of a smile here shape. Okay, and now we're gonna do an oval shape around it. So I'm gonna start curving around, going around this way, and I'm gonna come back here. Okay, on the left side, we're gonna do a half a circle for the tongue. Okay, next we're gonna do the head, and I wanna start up here on the eye, and I wanna go around, and I'm going to pass this eye. So I'm gonna start here in the middle of this eye. I want to go around. We're gonna keep going around, and now I want to pass this eye. Okay, so I start half of this eye and I pass this one. Now we're gonna do his cheek, and he has a big shaped cheek, so I'm gonna go to the right, doing kind of like a C shape, and I'm gonna stop here when I reach to the mouth, because now we're gonna do a straight line just until we get to the middle of the mouth. So I want to start here, going to the middle, and I want to stop right there because I want to have room to make his arm. Now, before I do the arm, we're gonna do the little bit of the tail that he can show here. So we're gonna go out to the left and then down, and we still have room here. If I follow this line, if I pretend that I follow this line, from here, I'm gonna do kind of like an S shape. So I'm gonna start going kind of like a letter S, and I'm gonna stop right there. From here, I'm gonna come down, and I wanna follow kind of like if I wanted to do a 3D S shape like this, okay? And now the empty space or the open space, I want to close here with a line. The same on this side. Now for the tail, I'm just going to add 1 and 2 lines. Let's continue with the legs. Now he has very long legs. So we're going to do from this corner, I want to go down 1 line, and then 1 in the middle, and 1 more. We're gonna close all these lines down here, and now I'm gonna go up a little just to mark another line, which is gonna be his socks. Now here from the middle, I want to trace 2 lines. I want to go 1, 2 lines. I want to trace these lines, but these are going to be half the length of this one. So I'm just going to go down halfway. And now we're going to do a curve that comes around and connects down here. Curve and down. Now he has a funny shaped shoe, so we're going to go here in the middle on the bottom, and I want to trace a diagonal line up. And to finish his shoes, we're going to do 2 oval shapes down here. Now let's draw one more arm on this side, and I want to start kind of like the same idea of a letter S, but now it's going to go backwards. So I want to start here underneath his cheek. We're going to go curve down, up, down, and up. And here in the middle of this big curve we did here, we're going to do one more line. Now it looks like he has his arms folded into his body. The last thing to finish our character is gonna make his eyebrows, and we're gonna do here a curve underneath the line of the head, and then we're gonna cross that line. We're gonna go curve around, and these ones we wanna fill with black. Okay, let's do it one more time. We're gonna do a curve underneath the line of the head, and then we just curve around it. And there, that's it. We finished this character that his name is Darwin. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the character turned out with the colors. It was a super easy coloring. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!